Hello, in this video I will explain how to create a custom plugin for WordPress. First we have to create a PHP file. Once created we are going to edit the file. We start with PHP and put this in green, indicating name, description, version, author and domain text. Once finished this, we add a code to be able to use the plugin. In this case I am going to use a shortcode for then when using it in the WordPress editor. This will make that when we put the shortcode in the WordPress editor, it will detect it and the code will be shown. Then we put add shortcode and put the name and create the function that in this case is going to be simple, to show a text and a link. When we finish we go to the PHP file. We click on it and put add to archive. And there we choose zip, that is to say to the folder or file that we use we make it zip. And then we can install it in WordPress.